Alright, grade 5. So sa today's discussion, we will target on three LCs. Number one is visualize and describe a circle. Then next is identify the terms related to a circle, and then draw circle with different radii using a compass. So let's begin with this saying. So good a saying. No one has ever become poor by giving. That's from Anne Frank. Alright? Wala day na pobre tungod sa paghatag. Okay? Please take note. Value nga kung ipasulod sa inyong brain at this time is learn to give. No? Hatag mo class. No? Especially karon Pasko. Learn to give. And then, what do you call the distance? Nangutana ang girl, no? Probably she's wearing a uniform. Kuan dyan siya. Student ata na siya. What do you call the distance from the center of the table to the edge of the table? And the boy said, and the boy is correct, no? It is called a radius. And today, because of that, no, we are going to discuss, dissect, scrutinize, visualize, synthesize, analyze what is a circle. And we will also draw two non-examples of a circle. So in my screen share, a circle is a closed plane figure, no, that has no straight sides. No, kung yun nabantayan, no straight sides ang circle. And it is made up of points. So kanay mga points ni siya na gidikit-dikit na in Bisaya, or they are side by side, no, mga points if you allow. And then at the center is also a point. Nasa point sa center, and we call it the center of the circle. Nasa fixed gina siya na point. And the distance from this center to the edge is the radius. That's why we name it R, no, radius. It is a line or segment from the center to any edge of the circle. Ang pangalan ana is radius. So in our illustration here, we have circle O, which is the fixed point rather. And pag mo travel ka dira to the edge of the circle, we call it the center. And then you can draw a circle with center O or 1 unit of the plane. So if you try to study this, mo na siya ang from this center going to the edge of the circle. Ambot lang kung kinsa na ay round table sa inyong balay, no? Round table. That's a perfect example of a circle. And then in this example right here, from the center going to any point of the circle, for example, 1 unit ang iyang measurement, they are really equal. So tanang radius equal yun na measurement, no? That's why we call it a circle. Kung tanaw ninyo na mo like the piso, no, it's a circle. Kuha kag center, then i-measure na nimo, no, nagamit siya ruler, gi-measure niya ang from the center going to the edge, and another edge, and another edge, and another edge is equal, no, ang measurement. Kung nyo nakita 1. That's easy, no? Easy. Now let's have an example. Example number 1. Let's draw, for example, let's draw a circle with the center P and radius R unit 3 units. Oops. Nabay coming? Nabay mo sulod? Wala. Naka-record ba ta, Kwan, Josh? Bantayan nimo. Dili mo.
Sir, nag-record man.
Ay, okay. Okay. So, the example number 1 ha, draw a circle with center P at P and reduce ang radius niya is 3 units, meaning measurement niya is 3, no? 3 units. Ang measurement kani from the center going to the edge is 3 units or 3 centimeter or 3 mm or 3 meters, 3 kilometers. Depends no sa to ang unit na tong ganito. But nakalagay lang dito is units, not very specific, but at least kabalo na taay gikan diha na measurement from the center to the edge. Sophie's answer, no? Yung si Sophie's answer. This is easy. Daw ka sayon, no? I will draw the circle on the grid na grid paper. I don't know if you're familiar with the grid paper. Pero naa na siya, no? Paper with grid. First, I will choose P as the center. All right? So choose niya P as a center. And then I will locate points that are 3 units away from P. And lastly, I will draw a circle through the points. That's the answer of Sophie. Pag mag-drawing daw siya circle. Sophie's answer is true. I don't have, please watch a video na sa YouTube. Tanawan ninyo ang video kung saan paghimog circle. Ha? I-consider na ninyo saan paghimog circle. Tapos ang circle class is naa na siya another parts, no? Daghan na siya mga parts. And one part sa circle is we call it the chord. Chord. Dili ni siya associated sa guitar chords, no? Lahi ni siya. But number 1, chord is a part of a circle also. Then a line segment that connects any 2 points of the circle. Okay, that's a chord. Again, chord is a line segment that connects any 2 points of a circle. So nata illustration ata dire kani. This is an example of a chord. Duha ka points sa circle, no? Nga gi-connect. Okay? BC is a chord, no? Chord BC. Okay? That's an example of a chord. If we will get a point from here, then from here, kuha tayo ng point, then using a ruler, straight edge, ato na siyang i-connect. This is an example of a chord. Right? Chord na siya, no? It's a segment connecting 2 points on the circle. All right. That's it. First part of the circle. Second part is the arc. Kani arc. ARC. This is a part of a circumference of a circle. Kani diri, kani. This is a circumference. Right? Circumference na siya tanan. I remember sa Samal na anay ginatawag og I'm from Samal City. Sa Samal na anay ginatawag dito circumferential road. So circumference means dalan na siya nga nagtuyok sa island. So kung mao ni ang island, gituyukan na siya dalan, tas kani adiri dagat na ni, no, Samal Island, tas kani adiri ang land sa Samal. So that is what we call circumference. Now connect circumference. Now connection ana sa art, part of circumference sa circle. Mo na ang art, part lang sa circumference. So example ana, illustration is this one. Kani. From point E to point D, mo ni ang arc DE. So part lang siya. Mo na ang arc. Right? Arc. So next part is the diameter. Diameter. Now diameter is actually a chord. Pero muagi siya sa center sa circle that passes through the center of the circle. Una ang diameter. Now, ang diameter is, pag-illustrate ana is this, kani. This is a chord, point F, then point E, muna ang diameter. Pero niagi siya sa tunga. Niagi siya sa center.
Oh, nakakuan pa ko.
Okay na. Di balik na. Naputol akong signal ha. Balik ta, balik ta. Balik ta. Okay. So this is an example of, oops, admit na tong isa. Ay, salamat. Nadugangan ta. So this is,
Share screen.
ay, teka lang. Share screen ta. Share screen. Welcome, isa man na. Ay, Ayashi. Na ano ba siya? Nag-recall. Ayesha day. Ayashi. Ayesha. You cannot. It's okay. Share screen sa ko ha. Wait guys. Kadali lang. Share screen. Share screen. Asa naman ito kung share screen? Tara. Naka-share screen ha?
Opo.
O yan, salamat. Okay. So, diameter. Balik ka sa diameter. Diameter is a chord. Di ba? Ang chord is dalawang points on the circle. Then, ato ang i-connect. That's an example of a chord. Pero, diameter is a chord. Special siya because muagi siya sa center sa circle. No? It will pass through the center of the circle. Pag chord gani na muagi sa center sa circle, we call it diameter. Tawagon natin ng diameter. So, in this illustration right here, diameter, EF is a diameter. No? Diameter EF ang pangalan. Why EF? Because we got it from the points E at saka F. Alright. Next part, segment. No? This is actually a region bounded by a chord and an arc of the circle. So illustration ana is this. This is a segment. No? This is the segment. GH. It's a region. No? Kumbaga ito lahat ng mga points dito is a segment. Yan. Segment ang tawag na. Kumbaga region siya. Alright? Admit na to si Von. Okay. If you, napa mo'y compass diya sa inyo? Sa inyo ha? Do you have compass? Josh, na mo'y kuandala, compass? Unstable na sa akong connection.
Wala.
Wala, sige lang. Kung wala, okay ra. So, basta watch a video how to draw a circle using compass. Using compass. Then, I suggest, para makabalo jud mo how to draw a circle, napalit mo compass, and then i-follow ninyo ang video how to do it. Or ang libro, step. Step number 1, insert a small pencil into the holder arm of the compass. Step number 2, tighten the screw and the compass hold the pencil in place. Make sure that the compass point, blah, 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 and so on and so forth. Push down and then, so there. Okay, dahil illustration niya dito. Or, if wala mo'y compass, pwede mo ka ng plato bitaw, platito, gamit mong circle. Ngani on paghimo, no? You can still draw a circle even, no? If a ruler or a compass is not available. Pag dili ka ni available, ang compass, ang ruler, makahimo mo, makadraw mo, o kuan, unsa ka-draw jud mo og circle gamit ana. Gamit ang mga round objects. All right. You can also get no the radius of and the diameter of the circular object by using paper folding. Ano siyang example, no? For example, mo ni you want to get the diameter or the radius of the plates, yung mga plato ninyo tira sa balay. Paper folding is very useful. Like sa ginawa ng bata sa picture. Plato, gi-trace niya ang circle, and then after that, yang gi-fold ang center. No? Kani. Gi-fold niya ang center. From the center going to the point, this point is the radius. Pag imo nang i-measure using your i-measure nimo na using your ruler o kilang measurement. So, yun na ang measurement. And then double it, times 2 because ang diameter is just a double of the radius. No? To get the diameter, si radius times 2 lang na nimo. Naman po sa illustration, no? Dalawang radius is equal to diameter. Right? So for example, ang radius is 4. Pila ang diameter? Josh.
Ano tong total na, sir?
If the radius is 4, pila ang diameter?
8.
8. Very good. That's it, no? Kung 16, Josh. Kung 16, Josh.
32.
Ayan, 32. So 32 siya, no? So there. Welcome Via. Salamat ha sa pag-attend.
Ila to na de, sir?
So anyways, kung wala mo naka-unsa, naka-start, ako man ang sa psychology na video. Ako nang gikuha na topic because importante kani sa exam, no? And then sa pamaning task na ni, no? This is now your task, no? And check the understanding and so
Sir,
on.
ang sira na sa book.
Ang sira na to ni sa book ha. Pero ang sira sa nako ang letter A, no? Ang sira sa nako ang letter A. All right. So sa letter A, this one will serve as our example muna. Example. So let's answer this. Refer to the given circle, find the indicated parts of the given circle, write your answer in the blanks. So, for example, center of the circle. Asa kaya diri ang center sa circle?
Ano na A?
A, very good, Josh. So, ang center ng circle is dapat naa-joy word na point. Basta center, it's always a point. Okay? Oops, bear with me ha. Hinay ko magsulat ano ko naanad. Point na ang word na point. Tapos A. Then, pag point, always capital letter ang gamit. A. Ayan. Point A. So, that's the check. That's the answer center. Now, radii. Radii is the plural for radius. No? Radii of the circle. Ang radii sa circle is plural man siya. So, marami. Ilang radius ang nakikita ninyo sa kuan? Sa figure? Ilang radius ang inyong nakita sa figure? Ilan? How many radius are there in the circle? Aisha. Ano si Aisha? Aisha, pila ka radius? Nakita nimo sa circle?
6, sir.
6, lower. Aisha, lower.
Sir, ako sir.
Isa man to. Raise your hand.
1.
1, Josh. Nope. Higher, Josh. Higher. Higher. Pila ka radius?
4.
4, lower.
3.
3. That's it. Bingo. 3. Ako ang isulat ha, ang mga radius, darang radius.
Ito din ang radius di dia sir.
Okay, radius, balik ta sa ato ang definition kanina. Balik ta sa definition kanina ha, unsa nang radius. Radius is, tara, it is a segment from the point, from the center to the point on the circle. Muna ang radius. So,
Ay, ang kanang murag line sir,
Ay,
ang
gikan
radius.
sa line sa circle.
gikan sa center to the point on the circle. Muna ang radius. So, kung balikan na to diri, tanaw na to ang radius, naa siya ay tulo, no? Si pangalan na to ha, si ingani ang mag-name sa kuan ha, sa radius. Ganahan magugos sa tunga mag-start, no? Diri sa tunga mag-start. So, we will begin at the center. So, AD is a segment AD, a radius AD. Yan. AD na siya, radius AD. Si radius AE, can I call you baby? Can you be my friend? Can you be my lover up until the very end? Can I show you love? Oh no, pretend. Stick by my side even the world is caving in. Oh yeah, so we have 3 radius or radii, no? 3 radii. Radius AD is 1. Next is radius AF, then radius AE. So
Sir, wala gyapon si radius BC.
si BC dili na siya radius. Kay ang radius lang is from the
Ay, kanang
center.
nakakuan sa tunga.
From the center to point on the circle.
Kabalo na dito. Mali din na.
Ayan. So, i-follow lang na yun ni Josh ha. Salamat Josh. Kasabot juga. AD, morang na ang radius. Radius is from the center to a point on the circle. Pag i-connect ni mo na ang radius. Alright? Ayan. Next is diameter of the circle. Ang diameter nato ani is balikan nato ang meaning sa diameter. So itong diameter. Can I call you baby? Can you be my friend? Can you be my lover up until the very end? Dara ang diameter meaning. That's a chord that passes through the center of the circle. So ang diameter is kani. Diameter EF kani si EF mo ni ang nawong sa diameter. Alright? Chord siya pero ni passes through the center, ni agi sa tunga. Always
ang diameter diyan is kay DE.
try natin Diyos, tanawon doon ako DE ba? Diameter is, yeah, that's it, no? So ang atong diameter is DE. DE. By the way, you can also write DE as ED. Ha? Pwede baliktarin. Still correct.
Pwede magbaliktad-baliktad na sir.
Oh, pwede magbaliktad. Si AD, pwede na siya DA. Kani si AE, pwede na EA. Kani si AF, pwede na FA. So, same sa diameter. Pwede na baliktad. Pwede ka mag-start diri sa E, then D. So, pwede na ED. Right? Diameter ED. Number 4. 3 points on the circle. 3 points on the circle. Magkuha na kag 3 points on the circle. So, point B is on the circle. Tama. Si point B is on the circle. Oh. And then si point C is on the circle. Si point E is on the circle. And lastly,
Point F.
si point F is on the circle. Pero ang iyang gipangayo is 3 points lang, di ba? 3 points. So, mamili lang kayo ng tatlo dito.
Tulo ray butang sir.
Tulo lang ang ibutang, no? Tulo lang ang ibutang. And then number 5, chord of a circle. Asang chord diri ah? Chord. Meaning sa chord atong balikan. Sa meaning sa chord. Can I call you baby? Can you be my friend? Dara, chord. A line segment that connects.
Wala. Itato.
Wala
Doon lang
si
sa
sir.
mga.
Okay.
Ana, si sir.
I'm back. Nawala na po akong connection ha.
Yun yung signal dia sir.
Hinay, hinay. Yan. So, ang chord
Sir,
is...
share screen.
Ay, teka lang. Share screen sa ko ha. Kalimot juga ni ba? Nanggikan ta mapalong. Hi, Via. Good morning. Ayesha. Mayong buntag. Mayong buntag, John. Von Benedict. Mayong buntag. Share screen sa ko ha. Kalimot juga ni. Share screen. How about that, Nana?
Sir, in daw si James Ryan.
Okay na. Nainan ako siya. In. Lang, oops, napay duha. James Makatuwal, welcome. Howard, nasan? Idaghan na ta. Enjoy kita ni ron. Okay, dire ah. Okay. Ang chord sa circle is, ang meaning sa chord, eraser mo na ko sa ba. Ang meaning sa chord, kung atong balikan, is, balikan na to ang meaning sa chord.
This is
Ito ang meaning, ibig sabihin sa word na chord. Na,
Sir, kay BC.
yan. So, mo ni ang chord, no? Yun yung tanaw, no? Segment ni siya that connects 2 points on the circle. So, from this point to this point, pag i-connect na mo na, that's a chord. Then, sa atong figure is BC ang answer ni Joshua. And yes, BC, no? This is a chord. That's correct. So, ito na yung butangan diri correct. Pak. Then, ang atong chord is chord BC. Pwede rin CB ha. Baliktad. CB. Alright. Saan na yun? May isa. May nag-chat. Saan nag-chat? Nagupang mata si Howard. Ha, klaro kayo. Ingon ni Von. Ingon po ni katawa po si James. Ha. All right, let's find the diameter of the circle given its radius, ha? Write your answer on the block.
How many, sir?
Mhm. Di ba ang radius, ingon ko kanina, ano yung radius, di ba? AF or AE or AD, no? Those are the radius. Now, that the diameter on the other hand is twice the radius. Okay? Dalawang radius is equal to one diameter. I'll repeat that. Two ra- ah, two radius is equivalent to one diameter. Oh. So therefore, kung ang radius is 36, pila ang diameter?
So ito, sir, 2 radius equals to
Oh.
1 diameter.
Oh, 2 radius is equal to 1 diameter. Now, kung ang radius is 36, pila ang diameter? If you stay forever. 70? 72. 72 cm. Centimeter. Kabalo mo anong 72? Ato lang ning i-multiply og 2 si 36. Kay ang isa daw ka diameter equal man sa duha ka radius. Na natay radius na na 5.9.
Ayun, oh, sir, tama. 72 cm.
Ayan. Natay 5.9 nga radius. Pilang diameter?
Isa to, sir?
Kung natay radius nga 5.9, nga pilang diameter? Stay forever. Let me hold your hands. I can feel those places in your heart no one else can. 11 point.
Sir, ikaw mo na muna pagkuhan, sir, na may point
11
118.
11
11.8.
11 11.8 meters.
Ay,
Di ba, ang kuha na is 5, isa. This is how you do it. Gawin natin dito. Dalawang 5.9 decimal. 5.9.
times, sir, not. I-times, sir.
Oh, i-plus na lang ta, hindi na lang ta mag-times. Oh, plus ta. Pwede po mo mag-times, no? 9 plus 9 is 18. So
18.
8 ungroup, no? Then
Ay, sir,
decimal.
i-bring down lang din yung period.
Bring down lang ang period, ang point, ang decimal. Then 5 plus 5 plus 1 is 11.
Ah, kabalon ako.
Ano, 11.8. Ito, pag ang radius 149, no, pila ang cm? Pila ang diameter? Ito.
298.
Ayan, 298 is correct. 298. 298 cm. Ayaw kalimot sa ko na unit. Mali mo
Opo.
basta wala unit. Dirita sa Find the radius na pod na given ang diameter. Baliktad. Write your answer in the blank. Kani, pila kaya ang radius? Baliktad na, diameter ang given, kuhaon mo ang radius.
Ay, sir, example.
Instead of times 2, divide nimo ni og 2. No, divide nimo og 2.
1.1. Ay,
Pila?
1.2.
1.2. Yan. So, ang diameter, ang radius is 1.2 cm.
Balon ako.
So, baliktaran lang ito. So, for example, ang radius is 1.2. Pila ang diameter? Kung 1.2 ang radius, pila ang diameter? 2.4.
2.4.
Oh, yan. Baliktaran na sila. Kani. Ang diameter is 34.